What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. So today I'll show you guys my car part 1. And before start, don't forget to like, subscribe, don't forget to comment, don't forget to like, subscribe, don't forget to comment for my TikTok at Belfort 4046, my Instagram at Fabre Belfort, and I have my best friend Joel.
What's up, guys?
And make sure to subscribe to his Instagram. Actually, there is Instagram really best. So let's start the video. So this is my car, part 1. This is a blue car. I get it in 2009 and 2019. And also, if you have some batteries, you can do it like this, and it can run. But I don't have some batteries, and because that was a short video, seconds, that was a short video. Let's pretend to do something, bruh. Look at this dude. Look at music. Oh no, oh no, 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 no. That is hair. Look at his leg.
Look at it. Oh, body. I mean,
Bye. And what Joel saying his channel, peace out. See you guys next time.